Hello everyone, today we're going to explore a comparison between Klaviyo and Sendinblue, two powerful tools in the realm of digital marketing. If you're new to Klaviyo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, simply log in and let's dive right in. Klaviyo and Sendinblue, now known as Bravo, are both popular email marketing platforms, but they offer different features and cater to varying needs. The primary focus of this versatile marketing automation platform is to provide a comprehensive suite of features that encompasses email, SMS, and social media marketing. Its key offerings include email marketing automation, SMS marketing capabilities, and tools for effective social media marketing. Additionally, the platform includes a landing page builder and the ability to send transactional emails, making it a robust solution for various marketing needs. This platform is particularly well suited for businesses seeking a multi-channel marketing approach that goes beyond just email and SMS, allowing them to create landing pages and seamlessly integrate their social media efforts into their overall marketing strategy. This versatility enables organizations to engage their audience more effectively across multiple channels and drive better results. Klaviyo serves as a comprehensive platform for email marketing and customer relationship management. It is designed to facilitate the creation and automation of email campaigns, allowing businesses to effectively segment their audiences and personalize communications. In addition to email marketing, Klaviyo supports SMS marketing and integrates smoothly with popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and Meta Ads. This functionality makes Klaviyo an excellent choice for businesses aiming to nurture their existing email lists, execute targeted marketing campaigns, and analyze customer behaviors to refine and enhance their overall marketing strategies. Klaviyo is particularly well suited for businesses that need a marketing automation platform with a strong emphasis on email and SMS communication, especially those with a robust e-commerce component. It offers advanced tools for customer engagement and data-driven marketing, making it an excellent choice for driving sales and optimizing customer relationships. In contrast, Sendinblue, now known as Bravo, is a more versatile platform that provides a broader range of features beyond just email and SMS. This includes capabilities for creating landing pages and integrating social media, making it ideal for businesses looking to implement a multi-channel marketing strategy. Ultimately, the best platform for your needs will depend on your specific marketing objectives, budget constraints, and the level of e-commerce integration you require. When making your decision, consider factors such as the types of campaigns you wish to execute, the importance of landing pages and social media integration in your strategy, and your overall marketing goals to ensure you choose the right solution for your business. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate over $80,000 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.